The first thing that we did when we found out that something had happened to Penny was to call the police. And so when we went down to file a report, her father and I, they told us about the Child Advocacy Center and how basically they were going to be the ones who would lead us through the process and they would be able to help us as a family. And they immediately gave us one person, one point of contact as an advocate, which was really helpful because then you don't have to, talk to a whole bunch of people and explain something traumatic over and over again. It's just talking to that one person, which was great. And so she set up the appointment for us to first come in and led us through exactly what to expect when we came in, which was really helpful. And I think I probably called her back like 5 times before we actually came in because I thought of more questions that I needed answers to beforehand. Our first impression when we first walked in was that it felt really comfortable and homey. It was just like walking into somebody's really big living room. And it looks like a house outside, so it's not an intimidating building to come into. And once you come in, it feels so warm and nice. And the kids were immediately drawn to the books and the toys and stuffed animals and were immediately occupied while adults were trying to figure out what we were supposed to be doing. One of the things that I think Penny remembers is the medical exam.
The medical exam was really scary for me. The doctor explained things to me and made me feel a lot more comfortable.
I think I would tell another parent visiting the CAC for the first time to not feel bad about asking questions and to know that you're only going to add like 100 more by the time you leave, and to know that you can call all the time and ask more questions and that nobody ever gets tired of answering them, and that if they don't have the answers, they will find them for you. So you don't have to feel so alone in it because they're going to be there and they're going to help you get through it.
If I had a friend come here, I would tell them that it's actually kind of fun going here.
Do you think they need to be scared?
No.
We think that the CAC is a really important resource in our community. I think there's nothing else like it. And if it weren't for having it here when we needed it, I don't know how we would have been able to get through everything as successfully as we did. It helps us help other people, which is the one good thing that came out of what happened to Penny and to our family, was that we have better tools now and better resources to be able to help other people. I think if these walls could talk, they would say that while no one comes here for a good reason, everybody leaves here stronger, and that all of the kids and the families that come in here are here to become a stronger family